Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will see how we can parse the URL with the help of Grok pattern. Suppose you have a URL in the log and you want to extract the information from the URL, like you want to extract the host name, the path variable, request param. These kind of information we can extract with the help of Grok pattern. There are few default Grok patterns are available which can be used to parse the URL. So these are the default grok patterns which we will use to parse the URL. So let's see. So first we need to start the Kibana where we will execute our grok pattern. In order to start the Kibana, first we need to start the Elasticsearch. So I have already started and these things I have already discussed in my previous video. So my Kibana is up and running. So it is running on the port 5601. So I'm opening the Kibana. This is the Kibana UI. You need to go to DevTools and you need to click on Grok Debugger. So this is the place where we will see if our Grok patterns are working or not. So here we need to enter the data, any text data. Here we will put the Grok pattern which we want to apply and we will see the result if Grok patterns are getting applied successfully or not. So let's see. Let's take one URL. Let me write localhost 8080 slash order number test 1234 and user is equal to test 1. So this is our URL and we want to parse this. So this is the basically the localhost domain name, we would say. In the real world it would be domain name. This is the path, this is the path variable and the request param. So let's see. Suppose first we want to get this information. So for that we have a one pattern available out of the box, URIHOST. So let's see. Let's simulate and you can see. So this pattern has extract the information of this particular. Internally it is extracting the port also. So this is how we can extract this information. Suppose you have www.test.com. So you can see this is the host. Okay. Now you want to extract the path variable. That is the path variable. For that we have a Grok pattern URI path. So this Grok pattern we will apply to get the information of path variable. So let me apply this. Let me execute. So you can see this is the path variable. Suppose you want to extract the request param. We have a Grok pattern available URIPARAM. So we can apply this. Let me parse this. Yes, you can see this is the information. So in this way you can extract all these information, the basically the host or domain name, the path variable, the request param, and one more pattern available is URI path param. It will extract the information of both the fields, path variable and the request param. So let me simulate this. So order test, so it has extract the information from this, from here. So this is how we can. One more is available, URI. So URI is basically to store the complete URL. So URI also include the protocol. So let me use this as this. So you can see this particular information has been stored in the URI field. So the parsing has been done successfully. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.